This is the Hickison Petroglyphs recreation trail. And I could put awful graffiti on there. They're real jerks, people. And you got a big reflection here, so you may not be able to read that. I'll stand over here on the side. Take only photographs. Trail length 6/10 of a mile. Inner loop 3/10 of a mile. I might do the inner loop here because it's hot outside. There's a scenic overlook. And petroglyphs. Yeah, that might be the inner loop. Maybe I'll do the long one. What the heck? It doesn't say. You got gold, white, and green. So, I don't know. There's no marker for gold. Hiking. So I guess you want to go up there at 6/10. Maybe it's 3/10 here. Who knows? Let's get going. Well, this is at the beginning of the trail. And there's a campground. It's like right over there. You can't see it through the trees. And there's campers over there, but quiet. Nobody around. Don't see anybody. Ooh, big old rock up ahead. It's hot. Pretty well worn. And of course there were no maps in the box that had that awful graffiti on it. There's a sign here that says number 11, but I wish I knew what it was. And I don't know which way I should go on the trail. That way, this way. I don't know. Well, I'm trying to look at my phone to see the trail and then look at the photographs that I took down at the sign, since there's no maps here available. But we're starting to get a lot more rocks here. So there's a picnic table there. So I think I'm on a pretty good rock. There's an indentation up there. A bunch of those. I guess you could walk up there. I'd like to walk up there. Let's give it a shot. Well, I'm a lot closer in here. They got all these people have, I think, carved their initials in there. But it's kind of, you rub it and it breaks off sandstone, of course. Gotta watch my step here. And you could walk up there if you want. But it's hot. No breeze here. Could fly the drone, but there's a lot of trees close in here. I might try it when I get back. We'll see. I don't see any up here, and I think the trail is down there. So, or the trail turns up this way. Yes, trail turns up this way, so I should be going up, up, up. Oh boy. All right, let's go see. A little breezy here because it kind of opens up. Still see some snow-capped peaks up there. Driving outside of Austin, went over a little hill, and there was still some snow. It looked like desert, but still some snow, maybe 500 feet off the side of the road on the little mounds. So still got snow here. Must have had a lot, because there's many places along the road where they have signs when lights are flashing, you must use chains or snow tires. And then, you know, a quarter mile down the road is a turnoff, and it says only for applying chains. So, all right, here's another one, marker 5. I wish I knew what 5 was, but it's in there somewhere. I don't know. Where's the petroglyphs at? I'm looking, and I don't see them. You see any? You see any petroglyphs here? Number 5. See a big rock. Big rock. Okay. At least a little breeze here. Feels good. Feels good. It's getting a little warm. I have to check that GPS map often. All right, look at this down here. All right, Hike up the top of this. Doesn't look too dangerous. Not super steep. Just constantly going up, and good footholds here. So it's not really that loose, super dry, gravelly stuff. Has a little something more in it. I want to get a good view up here. Let's see. Pile of rocks. Maybe it was a big pile that got whittled down to the small pile. All right. Here you go. This is at the top here, scenic overlook. I'm going to try not to breathe heavy. It's a little windy. And from up here at this pile of rocks, I guess you could still climb to the very top. I don't know. Do I? A little steep right here. If I fall, I'll just land on a bunch of rocks, so I won't get beat up too much. So let's take these thorny bushes. If I grab hold of them. Whoa, 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 whoa. I actually got some rocks here, a couple footholds. Let's see if I can make it up here. Taking my life in my hands here. I got my cell phone, my regular camera, my GoPro. So I only got one hand to use here, folks. Take a little rest. I gotta turn this off because I need to get a different handhold. Okay, windy up here. I made it to the top. Wonders never cease. How do I do it? I don't know. But windy, camera's gonna shake a bit. There's the other mountain over there. There's the trail from whence I came, which I have to go back. Didn't see a lot of petroglyphs there. I guess you gotta have the brochure to see exactly where they are. There were some numbers there, but it just looked like old rocks. So, look, this Shadow Man. Yes, Shadow Man down there. Yes. But the trail is down there somewhere. So I have to go back down here. And, but anyhow, okay. Well, did see a couple more here. Took a couple pictures. I got bugs biting me here. And my GoPro battery is dead, and I don't have one in my pocket. I have more in the car. So I have to take this with the cell phone. Okay, back on the road.